To access the FileCoder settings, click on the Settings button. This function is reserved for users with administrative rights. Users without such rights will see the button disabled. The User Management panel allows you to assign or remove administrative rights for the company's users. To modify these rights, simply check or uncheck the corresponding checkbox. The document name is determined by a code composed of fields. These fields can be of two types: fixed field, text chosen by the administrator; incremental field, a counter that automatically increments with each request. A code can include multiple fields, combining both fixed and incremental fields. To create a counter, simply click the Add button. To delete it, click the Remove button. When a counter is selected, the editor appears on the right. A counter has the following characteristics: name and description, used to identify the counter. Progression type, can be numeric or alphabetic. Increment step, used for numeric progression, defines the step size for numeric advancement. Progression characters, used for alphabetic progression, specifies the list of characters to use for calculating the progression. Fill character, defines which character to use to reach the required minimum length. Minimum number of characters, defines the minimum length of characters that the counter field must have. The buttons at the bottom allow you to modify the last value and obtain a new value to test the field. To create a code, simply click the Add button. To delete it, click the Remove button. When a code is selected, the editor appears on the right. A code has the following characteristics: name and description, used to identify the code. Field management, this section allows you to define the fields that will make up the document name. Options, you can decide whether a code is visible in Inventor or not. This is a preparation for new features. You can also define what type of bill of materials structure the coded document should have. To create and position fields, use the Add, Remove, Move Up, and Move Down buttons. Each field can have an associated name. When setting a field, you decide whether it will have a fixed value by specifying the value, or if it will have an associated counter by selecting the counter. The Inventor user will see only the codes named and described as they are in the settings within the dialog boxes.